Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best water filters is probably one of the most essential additions to any modern household, ensuring that every drop of water you consume is not only refreshing but also free from harmful contaminants that can affect your health and the taste of your beverages. In today's world, where water quality can vary significantly, investing in a high-quality water filter system is a proactive step towards safeguarding your well-being and that of your family, providing peace of mind with every glass poured. Number 5. Camco Tastepure RV Water Filter 40043. Experience the advanced 6-step filtration of this RV water filter. Its hex flow technology works to deliver exceptionally clean water for your needs. This filter is independently tested and certified lead-free to meet strict standards. You can trust it to comply with all federal and state lead-free laws. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water wherever you go. It effectively reduces bad tastes, odors, chlorine, and sediment, while controlling bacteria and mold growth. Proudly made in the USA with expert craftsmanship, this inline filter features a patented design. It has undergone rigorous testing to meet the highest quality standards. Easily connect this filter to any standard hose for cleaner drinking water. It's perfect for campers, boats, pets, gardening, car washes, and more. With 20 micron sediment protection, it blocks impurities from your drinking water. Its wide-body design also ensures a high and efficient water flow. This filter comes with a bonus flexible hose protector. It prevents kinks and reduces strain on connections, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted water flow. What we like? This filter offers advanced 6-step filtration for exceptionally clean water. It's certified lead-free and reduces bad tastes and odors. If you're an RV owner or enjoy outdoor activities like camping and boating, and need fresh drinking water on the go, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. These work better than I had expected. Just hook them up to the water source, hook your hose to it, run it to your trailer and voila, clean and good tasting water. I like the hose attachment that comes with this to aid in adding flexibility to the system and not put too much strain on the system. The reinforced strain relief hose is a small but incredibly smart feature. It keeps the connection between the filter, hose, and RV kink-free and easy to manage. Number 4. Waterspecialist DA29-00020B Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced filtration system. It's designed to effectively reduce common impurities for your peace of mind. Rest assured, this filter is certified by NSF 42 and 372. It meets strict standards for safety and performance, ensuring lead-free filtration. Enjoy the pure taste of your water. Our filter uses premium coconut shell carbon to significantly reduce chlorine, improving both taste and odor. Keep your water fresh with included monthly installation stickers. They serve as a helpful reminder to replace your filter every 6 months or 300 gallons. This filter is a perfect replacement for specific Samsung refrigerator models. It's engineered for a precise fit and optimal performance. Please note its round shape, designed for compatibility with specific models. It is not a square filter and is not compatible with certain other part numbers. What we like? This refrigerator filter uses a coconut shell carbon block to improve taste and odor. It's certified by NSF 42 and 372, and comes with monthly stickers to remind you when to replace it. If you're looking for a cost-effective replacement for your Samsung refrigerator and want to ensure you're drinking clean, great-tasting water, this is the filter for you. What people say. The Waterspecialist DA29-00020B fits my Samsung refrigerator perfectly and was easy to install. It quickly improved the taste and clarity of my water and ice. Everything tastes fresh and clean. The filter feels sturdy and well-made, and it works just like the original Samsung filter. I appreciate that it's compatible and reliable, giving me confidence in my drinking water. Great filters, though went in easily, no leaks, water even tastes a little better compared to last filters we used. The new filters did take a little bit to flush out with air in the line and everything, but it was about a pitcher full of flushing and everything was back to normal operation. Number 3. AQUA CREST Replacement for Brita Water Filters. Enjoy peace of mind with our NSF certified water filter. It's designed to effectively reduce chlorine and is made with lead-free materials for your safety. Experience a high and stable water flow rate thanks to its outstanding filtration. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, every drop you drink will be pure and clean. This filter is designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, as well as great value pitchers. It's a perfect replacement for various models, ensuring you always have clean water. Our advanced 4-stage filtration system uses coconut shell activated carbon and ion exchange resin. It efficiently reduces chlorine, rust, taste, odor, and sediments for cleaner water. Enjoy optimal performance and a long lifespan of up to 40 gallons per filter. This means great tasting purified water for you and less plastic waste for the environment. With a 6-count pack, you're set for approximately a year of purified water. This provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for your household's hydration needs. What we like. This pitcher filter features a 4-stage filtration process for clean water with a high flow rate. It's NSF certified for chlorine reduction and has a long lifespan. If you're looking for a filter compatible with Brita pitchers and dispensers and want to reduce plastic waste while enjoying great tasting purified water, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The color, size, and design is similar to that of Brita filters and they work just as well. Works great. Not much difference from the Brita brand and still fits just the same in the pitcher. Great replacement for use with a Brita water jug. Make sure to run 4 or 5 full refills before using or you may see some grit. Number 2. GLACIER Fresh GF-MWF Refrigerator Water Filter, 3-pack. Introducing the GLACIER Fresh GF-MWF Refrigerator Water Filter. It's designed to retain beneficial minerals while effectively removing impurities, ensuring you always have access to superior quality filtered water. This filter is NSF 42 certified, guaranteeing its materials and construction meet high standards. You can verify its certification on NSF's database for complete peace of mind. Independently tested and verified, it removes up to 97.9% of chlorine. Experience a noticeable improvement in the smell and taste of your water. With its twist and lock design, replacing your old filter is a breeze. Enjoy a precise, leak-proof fit with no tools or mess required. For optimal performance, replace the cartridge every 6 months or after 300 gallons. It's a simple step towards safer drinking water for your entire family. This filter is a premium replacement for various models, including Smartwater MWF, MWF-A, GWF, and Kenmore 9991. It ensures broad compatibility with many refrigerators. What we like. This refrigerator water filter retains beneficial minerals while removing impurities, improving water's smell and taste. It features a convenient twist and lock design for easy installation and has a filter life of up to 6 months. If you own a compatible refrigerator and want a reliable filter that ensures safer drinking water for your whole family, this is a great pick. What people say. The filter is easy to install and works great. I love how this filter makes the water taste so much better. This filter is very effective at removing impurities from the water. Number 1. AQUA CREST LT 1000 PC Refrigerator Water Filter. Introducing the AQUA CREST LT 1000 PC, a compatible and cost-effective alternative for your refrigerator water filter. Enjoy the same great performance at a more affordable price. Our filter is NSF ANSI 42 and 372 certified, ensuring it meets rigorous standards for reducing chlorine. This means safer, cleaner water for drinking and cooking. Experience cleaner, fresher tasting water thanks to advanced filtration. It's crafted with premium activated carbon to reduce chlorine, odors, bad tastes, and more impurities. This filter effectively reduces chlorine by up to 99%, improving water taste and supporting healthier hydration for your entire family. Transform your water and ice with this filter. It effectively removes odors and bad tastes, ensuring every glass you drink is crisp and refreshing. Engineered for peace of mind, our leak-free design has undergone extensive testing. You can rely on secure, trouble-free performance in your home. What we like. This refrigerator water filter uses an advanced carbon block from premium coconut shell to reduce chlorine, odors, bad taste, and even PFOA and PFOS. It's NSF certified and engineered for leak-proof reliability. If you're looking for a cost-effective, high-performance filter for your LG or Kenmore refrigerator that ensures healthier hydration for your family, this is an excellent choice. What people say. After initial flushing, water is perfectly clear and clean. Tastes excellent, i.e. no taste at all. AQUA CREST installs easily every time and works exactly as described. The water tastes great, and I appreciate the reliable compatibility. I order these for my fridge at home. They are long-lasting, easy to install, and as good pressure. I have not had any of they to leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.